Well, when it comes to creating an atmosphere, the Bodoland FC fans have been boisterous in the stands. Loss in the opening game against Rajasthan United leaves them at the bottom of Group F. They can provisionally go to the top two with a handsome win against Indian Army football team tonight. And languishing in the bottom of the table, a porous defense and a misfiring offense affected their run of results. And however, the primary target will be to qualify for the knockouts, and in order to stay in sync with their mission, 3 points tonight is of utmost importance for the home team. 4 changes then for the home side from that loss against Rajasthan United.
Despite the limited exposure, they showed some very good football against the practice matches that they played against Northeast United and Odisha FC.
An Indian Army lineup. Litton was a live wire in Army's win over Odisha, and he's missing today due to a red card, and Alvin filling into his boots. So loftiest dwellers Bodoland FC take on Indian Army football team. There are several aspects that will arouse interest in the game, and Bodoland are sure to go flat out to redeem their prestige. The tournament now moves to hotter climes, making life out in the middle far more tough for the players. And here they come, the home side, straight away in the thick of action, asking for a foul. The referee plays the advantage, spreading it out wide on the left wing for Arjun into the penalty area. First cross comes in, and the header inches away from nestling into the back of the net. And the Indian Army football team, they are without their star striker Litton. But what a ball that is for Arjun. This time a low cross comes in towards the number 11 and just taken away by the on-rushing number 12, getting a very vital touch. Here comes Indian Army. Christopher, early ball in, the flag stays down, and it has trickled in just underneath the goalkeeper. And a blistering start for Indian Army football team is Samir Murmu, who opens the scoring for the visitors here.
Right on the 5 minutes, and that's how it went in. Look at the chip. He was right on the line there. Very difficult to say if it was offside, but Samir Murmu really goes on, glides that ball. Goalkeeper tries, but in vain. And what a goal that is. Amazing lead here from the Army.
Mistake at the back, keeper comes out and hits the base of the post. And a big let-off for Indian Army. And what a chance here for Bodoland FC to restore parity. A defense in 6s and 7s at the moment. Here is Shafil carrying the ball into the attacking half. Has gone through a couple of blue shirts. A chance from a sharp angle and a very vital touch from Birkhang, just denying a clear-cut scoring opportunity to Deepak. And a stray header into the path of Kroma. He tried to lob the goalkeeper and scuffs it completely, hands on his head. He simply can't believe his luck. A mistake from Suresh Mithai, and Kroma should be scoring that. They were quickly off the blocks, Indian Army, in the first half. And Bodoland managed to weather the storm and bounce back. Here is Arjun onto his favorite right foot. Tried to set up the number 8, slightly away. A back in from Joseph is gone out of play. Here is Didom spreading it and out wide for Joseph. He cuts back inside. Joseph in a central position. Away from 3. Tried to feed Arjun. A defender gets in the way. They quickly recover possession. And Joe, with a long-range attempt, goes wide for a goal kick. One more build-up. The move comes to an abrupt halt. There is Maneshwar Reverse ball for Rakesh Pradhan. In comes the cross. Collected by Maneshwar. And squaring it for the number 8, Cornelius. Completely sliced it. Couldn't wrap his boot around the ball well enough. Got to get his laces through the ball, the number 8. Throw in for Bodoland. 7 minutes of regulation time left in this game. It's high towards the far post. Nodded back, and that has gone in. It has been given as a goal. I got to wait for the confirmation. Seems like it has been deemed as a foul on Thakuri.
Look at that ball, came very aimless, far on the corner. The header was high and up. The goalkeeper trying to get onto that, and the goalkeeper was pushed down. No connection there from the striker up there.
Completely miscued. Could be trouble for Indian Army. Thakuri once again has spilled it into the path of an yellow shirt. Another free kick, another foul drawn by the skipper of the Indian Army football team.
It came over. He blocked the goalkeeper to move towards the ball, and that's the reason why he was penalized there. Look at the way the ball, both of them miskicked that ball, the ball coming up, and the defender, the attacker simply standing in the way. Goalkeeper once again spills that ball. Why does he want to collect that ball? He needs to punch that ball out to safety.
This could be the moment because Thapa brought down inside the box, and referee points to the spot. It's a penalty for Indian Army football team. Vociferously challenging the decision is Ichezona, but the decision has already been made. Look at that check back onto his weak left foot, forcing that foul. Birkhang standing on his line, spreading out his arms, trying to make himself look as big as possible. Here goes Suresh Mitai, and he makes it count. Sends the keeper the wrong way. And 2-0 Indian Army football team. And the fans have already started to leave the stadium, Henry.
Brilliant piece of work from Bikash. And that's the reason why there's a celebration over here. They were on tender hooks when there was a lot of possession from Bodoland entering into their attacking third. But what a fantastic finish this is from Suresh Mithai.
From the right edge of the penalty area, punched away by the goalkeeper. Nicely cut out. I could have left it for the keeper to collect. In comes the shot, but what a save from Thakuri. Will there be a twist in the tail? In comes the corner. There's the header. Hits the answer underside of the post. And an equalizer for the home team. It's Joe who restores parity in the closing stages of this game. But we need to wait. For the third time, the ball just entering the back of the net. And a sent off for Thakuri. All kinds of chaos in the goal mouth.
What happened over here is the ball came very well. The header was struck superbly, straight hitting the crossbar and getting inside the box. Look at that header. Absolutely brilliant.
That's the full-time whistle. And a memorable night for the Indian Army football team with this victory. They are now in the driver's seat of qualifying into the last 8 from Group F.